Hi everyone, Richard Huntley here, back with a brand new video for you today. And today we're going to be looking at how to fix your knee pain. Lots of people have been saying to me, Rich, I suffer with my knee pain and some exercises I'm really struggling with. Today we're going to break down the two sneaky ones that really take a toll on people's knees if done incorrectly. It's the squat and the lunge. So we're going to be looking at that. I'm going to quickly show you a quick fix for the lunge technique. Then we're going to work on your squat and then your daily dose of motivation, because I always like that on this channel, to keep you going, to inspire you towards all of your goals. So let's break down the first one. I want this short and sweet video. I want take-home message with lots of value for how to correctly do your lunge and squats. So as you can see in the picture, I've circled around the important parts of this image. First up, the upper body posture. Do not slouch over. Keep your body upright in the lunge. Next, you want to make sure the circle over the knee, you do not want the knee to override the toes down there, you see, because that's a very bad part of stress for the knee area. So what we do, we like to keep more of a 90-degree angle and make sure you lunge your front foot out far enough, as the image shows there. With the lower leg, the lower back knee, that's what we need to do. We need to drop it down towards the ground. So the rear leg, we're going to just easily just drop the knee slightly towards the ground. A few inches off the ground is absolutely perfect. Obviously, if you don't have the strength in the legs yet, you don't go down so far. Just do half lunges, absolutely fine. But form is key. You've got to make sure you keep good technique. That's going to prevent injury. And lastly, the back foot is on your toes, so try and keep good stable balance as well. So that's the 5 points for the lunge. Next up, let's look at the squat. This is another exercise that catches a lot of people out, and if you suffer from any sort of knee pain, this will just make things worse. So let's fix it. First of all, there's 3 points to this one. We want to avoid arching, sort of slouching the neck over and keeping the shoulders tight. Everything in the upper body, what you don't want on the left image there is tightness. Okay, you need to extend the neck up like the picture on the right there, and you can have the arms out, which is absolutely fine. And next up, the middle part of the body, the midsection, which I like to call it, keep the line of spine coming down more. Do not slouch forward. You see, you don't want to arch over. You've got to keep the body upright. Okay, open up the thoracic spine, keep everything nice and open in the top there. And it's like you're sitting down on a stool. And again, try and keep nearly like the 90-degree angle with the knees in line, and do not overextend the knees over the toes, and definitely try not to bring the heels up, because that could be a sign of maybe tightening in the hamstrings and calf muscles as well. So that's the squat, how to fix it. The key message today is do not override the knees over the toes. Okay, so do not put the knees over the toes. That's going to be the main message. Keep the body back. Upper body posture as well, that's going to help you out. So I hope this quick short video has helped fix your lunge and squat technique. Even if it's a little bit, like 10-20%, it's going to help you out more than doing it incorrectly for years, because people have been doing these exercises, but you can be exercising for years upon years, but if you're doing them the wrong way, you're going to end up with a lot of injuries, and that's the problem. You're not going to be able to work out at all then. So that's why this video is very important. Lots of people, like I said at the start of this video, has been saying to me, Rich, I'm suffering with knee pains, I can't do these certain exercises. So I thought, look, I need to make sure I make one of these videos to help my community out. If you want to watch more videos, I'll pop them in the video here for you to have a little look at, have a little click and watch. And please hit that like button, share this with your family and friends, especially if they're suffering with bad form and knee pain. I think this will help them out. Hope you've got some value from this today. Enjoy your day, everyone, and I'll see you very soon. Take care for now.